Tonight, we're embarking on a quick trip to the iconic Trevi Fountain. Let's jump right in. We're on foot towards this historic beauty, nestled in the heart of Rome. Along the way, we'll pass through narrow, cobbled streets. Okay, enjoy the scenery while we walk. Hey there, me friends! Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year.
Here we are. The Trevi Fountain is simply breathtaking. Its grand size and intricate ornamentation make it a must visit. Built in 1732, it's a symbol of Rome's rich history and beauty. Despite its size, it blends seamlessly with its surroundings. Remember to toss your coin over your shoulder into the fountain for good luck in returning to Rome one day.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
That's all for now. Thanks for joining this quick journey to the Trevi Fountain. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures ahead. Until next time, take care and happy travels.
I'm just as surprised